everyone. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome to NYC Traveler Mode Scientist Mind. This is Tista, and today I'm going to share my NYC Ferry journey. Let's see how Manhattan looks over the East River. It's a beautiful summer, and the day is bright, sunny. Nothing to say more. You can see that how beautifully bright blue sky it is, and the clouds are floating around. We have started from the 19th Street NYC Ferry, that is the Upper East Manhattan, and we are going towards the Wall Street, and then we'll go to IKEA. Like a matchbox. I always refer the building is looks like matchbox. That building is actually the United Nations headquarters. Here it is, the United Nations headquarters. And the building, looks like fish scale. That building is a Chrysler building. Before I lived here, right here at the 1st Avenue and 30th Street, and I know this place so well, that's why. And here coming my most favorite, the Empire State Building. This is my previous workplace of NYU Langhorne Hills. I really can't forget the 8th floor cafe area over the East River. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And these 4 towers are from the residential building Waterside Plaza, which is also very much close to my heart. And now we can see the One World Trade Center building. And the famous Brooklyn Bridge is here, right here. Can you see the Statue of Liberty there? At the distance, that is the Liberty Island, and of course the Statue of Liberty. From the Wall Street, again we have started our journey towards IKEA with IKEA Ferry, which is absolutely free in the weekend, and I think in the weekdays it's $5 per head. And this is the IKEA Ferry station, and this is the time while returning back to IKEA. In the meantime of spending the IKEA, that I will cover in some different vlog fully dedicated for IKEA. So thank you so much for watching, and stay well, be well, and do very well. Thanks again.